We thank Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i for coming back home and accepting the request of the community and the Kenyans at large to run for the presidency in 2027. 2, we thank the Jubilee Party under the leadership of President Uhuru Kenyatta and Secretary General Jeremiah Kioni for endorsing the candidacy of Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i and the Jubilee Party. And 3, the community, that is the Gusii community and the Jubilee Party in Kisii, now offers Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i to Kenyans and the leaders across the country to make coalitions and the friendships that can comfortably win the 2027 general elections. And therefore, the Jubilee Party in Kisii County wishes to warn leaders who have had the tendency of insulting the community to stop forthwith and respect Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. And lastly, we agreed as a party that we urge the community and the Kenyans at large to register in large numbers with the Jubilee Party as this is the next government.
Etwagokire twabero moko monene buna chairman umita somire na mangana twabekamo twaranga tiga toicha saba mo secretary tonya bekamo tonya kwanda sobomo sabomo gako turusiro bosoku nere toganyirete nandi twamanyorera ntubuna bangina gusie ngima etutagete toichamo nabagaka abaito batobwatsi tosumo mo gako itomatiangi na kusudi abe president ye country ya Kenya abantu bonse be bamwanchire na era batagete bona ntoba gusine ntu twanchire twensi bitu amwando sirirero tigabona agende mutu aliye service kubinde na kusudi tobwaterane 2027 nere president yetu kuruweka Kisii.
Togote banga Jubilee Party nere bwate a national outlook. Ekero togote agantu bwate presidential candidate ole Chinkurubune chama Matiang'i. Igata gete gutware party eranyare ko bwate outlook ya Kenya. Abantu bonse bakora kibago soim. So igo otoko encourage abantu bandi bonse. Aba Kenya bonse asa babeta batubwate si Kenya asenginjo tutayete gukora tutayete gukomboa Kenya goitera sobugambi borabe ubuya at State House bwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i
na ituna basae twachiramo tutagete tokonye mushimo Dr. Fred Matiang'i atore torobo sera seita abantu twachayirwa matuko oborai bwachayirwa matuko abangina babwate mechando abagakamba bwate mechando bonege ntona kani abana bamito bagusi tobwata namo to chama torosyo buya no borai bo buya